Yes, so this is actually what happened, and he fought for it. He showed the world that it can be done. Even Gandhiji was inspired. A lot of people were inspired by him. You know, that what type of person is this? He changed the world. He was in jail for so many years. The arrest of Rivonia trial, 1962 to 1964. 2 years. 5th of August 1962, police captured Mandela along with his fellow activist, Cecil Williams, near Howick. Howick. Now, Howick town is located in the Gang, Gangun Blue district. I am not able to pronounce it. It's Magang Gandluvu district municipality in Zwalulu Natal province, South Africa. It's 88 kilometers away from the Durban port. Let's see what's in your book. I'll just read and then I'll explain you. Yes. No one is born hating another person, we know that, because of the color of his skin or his background or his religion. People must learn to hate, and if they can learn to hate, they can be taught to love. For love comes naturally to the human heart, that its opposite. Even in the grimmest times in prison, when my comrades and I were pushed to our limits, I would see a glimmer of humanity in one of the guards, perhaps just for a second, but it was enough to reassure and keep me going. Man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never extinguished. They were tortured, but at the same time, they were guards who were really human. They used to think. In life, every man has two obligations: obligation to his family, to his parents, to his wife and children, and he has an obligation to his people, his community, his country, in a civil and humane society. Each man is able to fulfill those obligations according to his inclinations and abilities, but in a country like South Africa, it was almost impossible for a man of my birth and color to fulfill both of those obligations. Okay. I was not born with hunger to be free. I was born free. Free in every way that I could know, free to run in the fields. I have done this with you. It was this desire for the freedom of my people to live their life with dignity and self-respect that animated my life, that transformed a frightened young man into a bold one, that drove a law-abiding attorney to become a criminal, that turned a family-loving husband into a man without a home, that forced a loving, life-loving man to live like a monk. I am no more virtuous or self-sacrificing than the next man. But I found that I could not even enjoy the poor and limited freedoms I was allowed when I knew my people were not free. Freedom is invisible. The chains on any one of my people were the chains on all of them. The chains on all of my people were the chains on me. I knew the oppressor must be liberated just as surely as the oppressed. A man who takes away another man's freedom is a prisoner of hatred. He is locked behind the bars of prejudice and narrow-mindedness. I am not truly free if I am taking away someone else's freedom, just as surely as I am not free when my freedom is taken from me. The oppressed and the oppressor are alike are robbed of their humanity. Okay, this is what it is. How we think, that's how we act. He was arrested in the Rivona case. The supporters demonstrated outside the court. He was moved to Pretoria, where Winnie could visit him. He began correspondence studies for a Bachelor of Laws degree in the University of London National Program. His hearing began in October, but he disrupted proceedings by wearing a traditional karos, refusing to call any witness, and turning his plea to mitigation into a political speech. Found guilty, he was sentenced to 5 years imprisonment as he left the courtroom. Supporters sang Kosi Sikeo e Africa. 63 police raided Lily's leaf farm. It was a place where Africans were, the nationalists were staying there. The police raided, arresting those found in there, uncovering paperwork, documents of MK's activities, some of which mentioned Mandela. The Rivona trial began at Pretoria Supreme Court in October, with Mandela and his comrades charged with 4 counts of sabotage and conspiracy violently overthrow the government. The chief prosecutor was Percy Yutar. They didn't have evidence, but Yutar reformulated the charges, presenting his new case form in December 63 until February 1964. Calling 173 witnesses and bringing thousands of documents and photographs to the trial. But they did not find any, although the 4 accused denied involvement with the MK. Mandela and the other 5 accused admitted sabotage but denied that they had ever agreed to initiate guerrilla war against the government. They used the trial to highlight their political cause. At the opening of the defense proceeding, Mandela gave his 3-hour "I am prepared to die" speech. The speech, which was inspired by Castro's "History will absolve me," was widely reported in the press despite official censorship. "I am prepared to die." It was a speech of 3-hour speech. He gave it in the court. On the 20th of April 1964, from the dock of defendant at Rivona trial. It earns why the word ends in it is an ideal for which I am prepared to die. The speech is considered one of the greatest. "For the freedom of my people, I am prepared to die. Kill me if I am wrong." The trial gained international attention. There were global calls for the release of the accused from the United Nations World of Peace Council, while the University of London Union voted Mandela to be its presidency. On June 12, 1964, Justice Diveth found Mandela and 2 of his co-accused guilty on 4 charges. Although the prosecution had called for the death sentence to be applied, the judge instead condemned them to life imprisonment. He was sent off to Robben Island. So I will come in the next class and we will finish this chapter. I have read, but you must know more about him. Actually, how it happened. From death sentence to life imprisonment, from life imprisonment he is released after 27 years. Not a joke. So really we have to know about it. Thank you so much for attending my class. If you are attending, if you are watching, I don't know. I don't mind even if nobody is watching. It's my job. I have to do it. So take care. Best of luck and be good. You are good, guys. So keep rocking the way you are and everything will be fine. See you. Take care. God bless.